Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Today we're going to go over how to save seed for okra. If you don't know what okra is, it likes the hot weather. This is a dried out piece of okra. It's really good fried, battered in some flour and cornmeal, and fry it in a skillet with some oil. It's good baked, it's good pickled, and lots of people like it boiled, but not me so much. I'm gonna go into how to go ahead and save seed for okra for next year. Don't forget, it's a very important thing that you need to know. Rooster wants to chime in. But it's very important for you to save your seed for your crop for the next year. If you're liking what you're seeing, go ahead, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification. And if you have another recipe for okra, go ahead and put that down in the description. In the comments. Go ahead and put that down in the comments below, and I might even try it. So let's check out this okra. Okay, so these are okras on the end of a row here. And basically what you want to do is you want to leave this okra plant and not pick the okra off of it. And just leave it and let it dry out like this. And as you can see, these in here are massive. That is long as my forearm, and it's been over there. But that one's, you know, long as my forearm too. They're huge, but we're just gonna leave them here. Eventually they'll dry out just like this one. And these are the plants that we're just saving seed from. So you let these grow as big as they want to get, you let them dry out, and then you get the seed out of them. Now the ones that we're picking, we have a second round of okra over here, and these are the ones that we're actually picking. Now you wouldn't want okra to get as big as it is over there for seed because they get hard and tough. They get kind of woody and they don't taste great. So you want to pick them when they're small. Usually, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches, maybe sometimes 4 inches. Pick them and eat them or pickle them then. The smaller they are, the better they are. But this one was on the other end of the row and it's already dried out, so we're gonna take the seeds out of it and I'll show you what they look like. All right, so we have our dried okra right here. And to save the seeds after it's dried, just pop it open. You see all those little seeds in there? Those are dried seeds already. There's nothing more you need to do to these seeds except put them in a cool, dry place to store for next year. You don't have to put them on a paper towel. They're already dry. Once this hull dries, it dries the seeds out inside. All you have to do is harvest the seeds. And you can see you get quite a few. Well, a lot of them are rolling off here. You get quite a few out of, all of them are rolling off. Dadgum. There. So that's all that's in that one. Open up this other part. Thankfully, we have plenty more on the other plants because these are just rolling off my piece of my clipboard here. But as you can see, you get several seeds out of one okra. And then we're basically just gonna take these seeds, we're gonna keep them in a cool, dry place. We plant them next year. So here at Britton Farms Homestead, that's how we save our okra seed. If you have a different way of doing it, go ahead and put that in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.